I lost everything tomorrow, no money, no audience, no assets, but I still had all my knowledge, then here's exactly how I'd rebuild from scratch. Because the truth is, starting over is scary, but it's not impossible. In fact, once you know how this game works, then it's actually pretty predictable. And that's what I want to share with you. This is exactly what I would do step by step if I had to claw my way back to financial freedom. So grab a pen, take notes, and let's get into the blueprint that I would follow to go from zero back to building a profitable affiliate business. Also, just quickly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. The first thing I'd do is pick a niche, and I'd keep it simple. See, when you're rebuilding, you don't have time to waste chasing shiny objects. You need something proven, and that means going where the money already flows. So that's health, wealth, relationships, and evergreen hobbies. Now, here's the mindset shift most people miss. No matter what level you're at, there will always be people who can learn from you. Whether it's your perspective, your approach, or just the way you break things down, that's valuable to people. So I'd pick one lane, something I could see myself talking about every day without running out of steam. Whether that's fitness, money hacks, travel, cooking, it doesn't matter. As long as it's something that people are already spending money on. The goal here isn't to be the expert. The goal is to plant the flag in the ground and say, this is the space that I'm going to own. Because if you try to appeal to everyone, then you'll end up helping no one. But if you focus, people will start to recognize you as the go-to voice in that lane. And that's when your momentum starts to build. Once I've locked in a niche, the very next move is building a simple 3-page funnel. Why? Because if I'm starting over, I can't afford to waste time. I need a system that captures attention, builds trust, and directs people to an offer, all without me having to reinvent the wheel. The funnel I'd build is bare bones, but it's highly effective. Page 1 is an opt-in page where I'd offer a free resource, a guide, a checklist, or a short cheat sheet. Something quick but valuable. Page 2 is the bridge page. This is where I'd thank them, share a bit of my story, and introduce the product that I'm recommending. And page 3 is the offer page, which I don't even have to build because it's the affiliate product creator's sales page. That's it. 3 steps. Keep it lean and keep it moving. Most people overcomplicate this part and they stall for weeks or months. But if I'd lost everything, speed would be my greatest weapon. Get the funnel live, start collecting emails, and let the system go to work for you. Now here's the real grind. Traffic. If I had nothing but my phone and an internet connection, short form video would be my battlefield. TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. These are platforms where beginners can still break through without money, without connections, and without a big brand behind them. And the beauty is, the algorithm doesn't care who you are. It only cares if people watch your content. So here's exactly what I'd do. I'd commit to posting at least 1 short video every single day. Doesn't have to be polished, it doesn't have to be perfect, just valuable. Each video would aim to solve one tiny problem in my niche. If I chose fitness, maybe it's 3 bodyweight exercises for beginners. If I chose money hacks, maybe it's how to save $50 this week. If it's cooking, maybe it's a 2-minute pasta sauce that anyone can make. And every single video would end with a clear call to action. Grab my free guide, link in bio. That's how I drive people into my funnel. Consistency over perfection every single time. Because here's the reality. Your first 10 videos probably won't do much. But the 11th, the 20th, the 30th, that's where things really start to click. That's where all of your work really starts to compound. Remember, traffic is like oxygen for your business. The more you create, the stronger your system becomes. Once the funnel is running and the traffic is flowing, then it's all about scaling. At this stage, I'd double down on what works. If a certain type of video gets traction, then I'd make 10 more like it. If one freebie pulls in a lot of signups, I'd test variations and I'd improve it. Then when commissions start coming in, I'd reinvest some of that into ads to accelerate the growth. But scaling only works if the foundation is solid. That's why the first 3 steps are crucial. Once the engine is running, scaling is just pouring fuel on the fire. So if I lost everything, here's exactly what I'd do. I'd pick one niche, build a simple funnel, drive daily traffic through short form video, and then scale once the system starts producing results. It's not about luck, it's not about being a guru, it's about plugging into a proven process and being consistent enough to let it work. And if you want to shortcut this process, I've put together a free affiliate starter pack. It has the templates and tools you need to launch your first funnel fast. There's a link to that in the description below. Lastly, if you got value from this video, do me a favour, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.